Welcome to this video on intellectual property rights, where we will explore the critical intersections of copyright and censorship within both print and non-print media. In today's knowledge-based economy, ideas and creativity are invaluable assets. Intellectual property rights provide the necessary legal recognition to protect these creations, while simultaneously balancing the regulation of information across various media landscapes. Intellectual property rights encompass several legal structures. These include patents and trademarks for inventions and brands, industrial designs for manufactured goods, and copyright protections for artistic, literary, and musical works. Copyright is the framework that grants creators exclusive authority over their work. It protects original expressions from unauthorized exploitation while balancing the need for public access with the fair compensation of the author. Key features of copyright include automatic protection upon creation, a focus on tangible expression rather than just ideas, defined temporal limits, and the preservation of the author's moral rights. Understanding how copyright functions in practice requires looking at the boundaries set for education and media regulation. Libraries and educational institutions operate under specific legal exceptions. Provisions for fair use and fair dealing allow students and researchers to utilize portions of protected works for academic analysis and instruction without infringing on commercial rights. Beyond property rights, we must also consider censorship. This refers to the control or suppression of information that governing authorities may deem sensitive, harmful, or otherwise inappropriate. In print media, censorship can manifest as bans on specific literature or restrictions on news publications during times of conflict or civil unrest, often to protect political or military information. Digital media introduces more complex challenges. Regulation now involves auditing content on social platforms, restricting access to specific networks, or implementing broad firewall measures to govern information flow globally. Navigating the balance between individual freedom and societal safeguards is a constant challenge. It requires a careful approach to protecting intellectual property while resisting unnecessary restrictions on the exchange of ideas. In summary, understanding these ethical frameworks is essential for safeguarding progress and ensuring that research and education continue to flourish in an open environment. Thank you for watching this video. For further reference, the image sources used in this presentation are listed here.